Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to buy on Amazon using Afterpay in a simple and practical way. First, it's important to know that Amazon does not directly list Afterpay as a payment option at checkout. However, you can still use Afterpay by using the Afterpay app or a virtual payment method provided by the service. Start by opening the Afterpay app and searching for Amazon in the store directory if it appears in your region. If available, select Amazon and choose the option to shop. Afterpay may generate a one-time virtual card that you can use during checkout. Next, go to Amazon and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. When you reach the payment section, enter the virtual card details provided by Afterpay just like a normal debit or credit card. After completing the purchase, Afterpay will split the total cost into 4 equal payments, usually paid every 2 weeks. The first payment is typically charged immediately, while the remaining payments are scheduled automatically. Make sure you keep enough funds available for the scheduled payments to avoid late fees. Using this method allows you to spread the cost of your Amazon purchases while still completing the checkout normally. Subscribe the channel for more videos.